Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2013 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 209,000 miles on it. It's a Southern truck out of Texas with no rust. Power windows, locks, mirrors, radio, heat, air, all that stuff. 11-foot nap-hide bed, 3,200-pound Stellar crane. Has a MyTM welder, generator, air compressor combo with all the lube skid stuff here. You got motor oil, grease gun, waste oil, hydraulic oil. You got your regular air hose. Just going to show you the basic stuff here on the crane. Up, down, side to side, winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up, boom down, winch up. You got a power switch here and you got one inside the truck too. So strobe lights, work lights. There's your tanks up there for your lube setup. That bed right there's had a little damage, probably tire blew out, somebody's fixed it. Looks halfway decent. Tires aren't new, but they're still in good shape. They still got some life in them. Toolbox. Air compressor. It all runs like it should, builds air. At some point, this truck has had all the fuel injectors changed in it. It's got all new injectors. $209, $352 on the miles. Nice truck, everything works. If you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship this truck straight to your door. Truck like this figure around $1.50 a mile. I've sold a ton of these trucks. If you've watched any of my videos, you're probably getting tired of seeing the same truck, but I think this one, we sold one. Guys picking it up Monday, so this would have been the 5th one for sale, but we'll have 4 for sale now. I think we still got one with 188. We'll have this one with 209. We got one with 253 and one with 309. So we got them from 209 to 309 on the miles. The price varies obviously, but they're all the exact same truck and they're all just as good as the next one. So If you're interested in 1 or 2 or 4, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Thanks for watching.